Max Group, a spectacular example of dynamic and significant contributor in the country's infrastructural development. For 30 years, Max has been omnipresent in the country's growth through its unyielding involvement in key infrastructure projects, from rural railway development to the most innovative nuclear power plant development.
Max Infrastructure Limited started its career as an industry back in 1990. And we have set the factory in Noakhali. And the idea was to make it sell some light engineering products, nuts and bolts, various fastenings and other things. But at some stage, I felt of diversification. So I changed the name from Max Industries Limited to Max Infrastructure Limited. So I started my construction, supplying my materials of railway fastening system. I produced most of the things in that same factory, which has become 4 times now in Noakhali. I am supplying almost all products that is required for construction of a railway track, except the rail itself. Everything else we can manufacture in that factory. I thought, why stay within railway? Why not go for LGD bridges, flyovers, power plants? We can make a full power plant EPC basis from A to Z. We have done Kushiara Power, Penchu guns. That combined cycle also we have done by ourselves. And in Bangladesh, you will not find a second company who has successfully done combined cycle power plant. That power plant is really a green power plant, I can tell you, because everything is from GE. And I think anybody goes to LGD, they will say Max is number 1. Go to them. Then we have done flyover in Chaudhary Akhtar Zaman flyover in Chittagong, 5 kilometer, very successfully. And that was done in such a fashion, we have completed it very fast, give less trouble to the people during construction period, and the finishing was fantastic. And we have now elevated expressway in Chittagong, which is almost 20 kilometer. And this is almost a priority project of the government. The main reason they have chosen us is our quality job, timely completion, corporate social responsibility that we are doing. We are talking about development. It has to be sustainable development. Sustainable means you have to sustain by yourself. You have to have your own people, own companies who can do all these things. How long the foreign people will come and do it? So that is the whole idea. I am very serious about developing skilled workers in the country. So our people has to be trained, their skillness has to be improved, and that has to be done in real sense.
Max Group is successfully taking Bangladesh forward, leaving footprints in their mega structures for the future leaders to follow. It is our pleasure to announce Max Group as the winner of Infrastructure Excellence in the first Hsbc Business Excellence Award.